Hey guys, today is day 3 uh, for this channel specifically. Today I would like to talk about the monomyth, yesterday whatever I put up in shorts, change. So that idea came from the book Hero with the Thousand Faces by Joseph Campbell. So I haven't read the complete book. I have seen uh, what do you call it, summaries of that book, and I just bought it on Audible. I'll be listening to it in this week or so. But I have read about it and heard about it from various sources, and the thing that I came to, the conclusion that I came to with that information is everyone has a hero in him. The only thing is how you decide to bring it out, or do you decide to bring him out or not. The main idea is every story, heroic story, is the same. Every myth and every real story as well, the real heroes as well. The story is the same. A normal person living a normal life comes across a situation that could change his life, and then he makes a decision to change himself, change the surrounding around him, change his belief. So the point yesterday, the point that I said, change. So change is this: changing belief, changing your attitude, changing your uh, actions, changing your environment, changing yourself. So all these changes would bring the hero in you, and you obviously it won't be that easy because uh, changing your belief is something very strong thing to do. Like, you've been the way you are, you have been believing the way you're believing right now for so many years now, and then all of a sudden if you decide to change your belief, it's like tearing a part out of you, and that is not what can be done easily. For that you need a stronger belief in the new thing that you'll be believing in. The old belief and the new belief, the new belief should be stronger for you to take that decision to make that change happen in you. So that's what I've learned about being a hero. I'm fascinated by being a hero. Not a hero like in the first video that I said, not a hero that I want to show myself as a hero. I want to be the hero. I don't want to show myself as a hero. I don't want to portray myself as a hero. I want to be the hero. I want to be the first person that would come to your mind when you think about how to be a hero. And obviously, in simple words, being a hero is just being a nice person, a good human being. So, no, not a good human being also, if you look at it that way. Because for a person with bad intentions, a villain can be a hero. So, let's explore this topic in next video mostly. Yeah, it's a good topic. Like, this just came out of it right now. The conversation, the recording right now. That maybe not just a good thing, but bad thing. Bad people doing bad are hero for the people thinking bad. So with that thought, let's move ahead with the next video. I'll think about something that would solidify this perspective of mine. For till then, bye. See you next time.